Hello folks, welcome to Sherwood Park Toyota, located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Today I'm going to be showing you this 2018 Toyota Corolla IM. Now the most notable features on this IM is its heated front seats, backup camera, and lane departure alert. Now I'm going to go through a couple more features on the inside and outside of the vehicle, just to get you better familiar with this 2018 Toyota Corolla IM. Let's get started. Now a couple of the exterior features that you will see on this IM is its daytime running lights, and then if we take a closer look, just over on the side, you have your 17-inch aluminum alloy wheels. You also have your integrated signal lamps as well as your power folding mirrors, heated mirrors. And the color we're going to be taking a look at today is black. Now, taking a closer look at the front dash as well as the front seats, as you can see you have your black cloth interior seat surfaces, and over on the left hand side you're going to see your mirror controls with your power folding mirror button, and then on the inside of the driver's side door you'll find your window locks, power locks, and window controls. Now a couple of the controls you'll see just on the steering wheel include your volume control, seek function, Bluetooth, mode select, voice recognition, scroll function for your multi-informational display with your lane departure alert, and cruise control. Now, taking a look at the multi-informational display, you'll see a couple of different features on here. So as you can see, you have an exterior temperature gauge located on here, and scrolling through some more, you have your range, eco indicator. You can also see your lane departure alert messages and your settings menu with your lane departure alert sensitivity, as well as a couple of other additional features inside as well, just so you can personalize everything for yourself. Taking a closer look at the center dash here, you do have the digital clock on here, hazard lights. As you can see on the side, you have your menu, voice recognition, Bluetooth media. So if you go inside the settings menu, you'll see your general voice display as well as a couple of other additional features. Temperature control settings located down below for your automatic climate control, along with your power outlet, USB, and auxiliary input, with your heated seat controls for your driver and passenger. Mounted to an automatic transmission with your sport and traction control on and off. And just taking a look at the backup camera, as you can see, you have those nice guiding lines in there, making things much easier for you when you back into a stall. Finally, we'll be taking a look at your rear cargo area as well as your tailgate, now located on the back of your tailgate. You see your backup camera just on your left-hand side. And closing in on the rear cargo space, as you can see, you have the additional set of mats. Cargo cover in the back, which is great because you can cover up your valuables just while going from place to place. If you need the additional space, you have the 60-40 split for your rear seat in case you need more additional room. And underneath the floor, you'll find your jack and tool kit, as well as some under the floor storage space, and one more under, you'll find the spare tire. So if you do find yourself in a bit of a pinch, you know exactly where it's located. Thank you so much, folks, for watching this video today. If you have any questions, please visit us. We're located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Phone number is 780-410-2455. Or please visit our website at sptoyota.com to get us by email. Once again, folks, thank you so much for watching this video today. If you have any comments or any additional questions, please leave them in the comment section located down below. Other than that, make sure you have a great day, and I hope to see you next time.